How to add a flip book to your Squarespace website. Hey everyone, welcome. Me. Hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. And let's just go ahead and get started. So, what I'm going to do first is just open up my Squarespace website, and I'm just going to add the flip book to my homepage. But if you want to do it on another page, you can just simply go to Pages and select the page that you want to add it to. Click on Edit, and then find some space for it or create some space for it. So I'm just going to go right down here, click on Add Section. And I'm just going to add a blank section and give it a proper color. So I'm just going to click on Edit Section. Go to Background, and I'm just going to change, go to Colors, and I'm just going to change it to this color right over here. And now next up, I'm just going to add the actual flipbook. So I'm just going to create some more space with it by dragging this down. And now that we have some space, we don't really need that much space, but you know. So if you click on add block here and try to find flipbook, you're not going to find it. It's not something that they have here. So you're not going to be you're not going to be able to add it from Squarespace itself. But that does not actually stop us from creating it and adding it to our site. So you have a bunch of services out there that are going to help you embed a flipbook to a site. The one that I'm going to be using on this video, which is going to be Elf Site. So if you just go to a new browser tab, just type in elfsite.io, as you can see on your screen, hit enter, and you're going to create an account completely for free. So just simply go to this homepage, which is elfsite.com. I know it was IO, it just redirected me to .com. Go to this section, add your email, and then just click on start. And you can actually see get started for free, no credit card needed. And if you just want to create one flipbook widget and add it to your site, which gets 200 views a month, you should be good to go. You can actually go ahead and do it completely for free. But you have more plans if you need them. I'm going to show you anyway. So once you actually go ahead and create your account with ElfSite, you simply just want to open up by clicking on your profile picture from the top right corner from elfsite.com. This is going to pretty much open up the catalog for you, where you can search for a flipbook. So here you're going to find plenty of widgets. Now if you want to use ElfSite for free, you can use each widget once. So for example, we have the spinning wheel. You can use it once because it is for free. If you wanted to use multiple, then you want to upgrade. Same goes for the rest of them. So anyways, what we need to do is just go to catalog like so, click on catalog. And then once you click on this, you simply just go ahead and search for flipbook from the top right corner. So you just search up flip, and you should be able to find the flipbook. So convert your PDF document into an interactive flipping book. So basically, you have your PDF. You don't really need to do much. It's just going to create the flipbook for you. Just simply have a PDF, and you're good to go. So what you're going to do first is just go ahead and select one that you actually like the most when it comes to templates, colors around the actual flipbook itself, and so on. So go ahead and select whichever one that you actually like. I'm just going to go for, let's just go for this one, for example. And then once this is set up, you simply just want to click on continue with this template from the bottom left. So once you do this, you simply just want to upload your PDF, and this is going to automatically create the flipbook for you. So go ahead and click on upload PDF from the top left, click on browse files, and just go ahead and add your PDF. I'm not going to add this one. It's a sample one, yes, but it really sucks. It's just, you know, a bunch of text and nothing important to it. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, as you know, the pages that we already have here in front of us. So we can actually go ahead and see and flip between the pages and see how it's actually going to look like and so on. So anyways, I'm just going to turn it back to page number 1, cancel this. I'm just going to use it as it is. But obviously for you, you would want to upload your own PDF. Next up, go to design, and you can feel free to design your background, the element colors, and so on. So the fonts, all sorts of things. So if you want to change the background, it's going to look something like this, which we don't really want. I'm just going to leave it to... I'm not going to try to match it. I'm just going to make it in dark here, so we can actually set this up. Element colors, I'm going to leave as they are, and you can also add some custom CSS, which mostly you're not going to do that. Language is English, and we're good to go. So once you're happy with it, simply just click on publish from the top right corner. And now you're going to actually see the plans that ElfSite has to offer. So for free, you can use one flipbook and you're going to be able to get 200 views for it. If it's more, you'll need to actually upgrade. So this is the main downsides to it. So you can only add one and you have 200 views. So if you have more to your site, you will need to upgrade. You have the basic one, pro one, and so on. So again, it's not a must to use Elfsight. Like I said earlier, there are multiple different services out there that are going to provide you with a flipbook that you can embed to your site. But in this case, we're just using Elfsight. So I'm just going to click on selecting the free one. And once you do that, you simply just click on embed code and just click on copy code like this. If you've missed this screen for some reason, you simply just go to Flipbooks within my apps, click on that, and click on install right next to it. And you should be able to copy the code. So once you copy the code, now it's very simple. You just go ahead and exit out of here. We don't really need that anymore. Go back to your Squarespace, go to the free space or the empty space here that we created, click on add block, and we simply just want to click on embed. Double click on it, go ahead and actually change the click on code snippet, click on embed data, and paste this in here. Once this is pasted, you simply just click on save, and we are just going to make it larger like so. Try to centralize it. Okay, cool. And once you're done, click on save and exit. And now you should be good to go. You should be able to actually find the flipbook right over here. So you can actually see this is loading. If we click on preview, and we should be able to find that we have the flipbook, and people are going to be able to actually flip between pages, by doing this. And I believe you can use the arrow keys as well. Yes, the arrow keys are also working, as you can see. And you're good to go. So now you have your flipbook on your Squarespace website. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.